What's the meaning of camera work? Camera work. Camera work.
Camera work. Camera work. Camera work refers to the use and manipulation of a camera to capture footage for film, television, or other video productions. Effective camera work can enhance storytelling by creating mood, conveying emotions, and adding depth to characters and settings. It can also be used to create a sense of movement or action, or to capture important details that help to advance the plot. Ultimately, good camera work should serve the needs of the story and help to communicate its themes and messages to the audience in a powerful and engaging way.